Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video. And today we are going to discuss about how to invest in international markets from India. So in India we have two companies which are Ind Money, which allows you to invest in US stocks from India, and they have a process for it. So open your free US stocks account by completing digital KYC, add money to your US stock account, and get started investing in US stocks. And yeah, so you can invest in the brands you like Amazon, Google, Netflix, Apple, Meta, and so on. It's a diversification basically. Um, yeah, right now the Indian market is going down, so it may hedge your position if the US market goes up. And of course, dollar appreciation will help you. So these are, of course, one of few of the best companies in the world. So you get a chance to invest in those companies, which will bring profits to you. Yeah, other than in money, there's another company called Vested Finance, which also allows you to invest in US stocks from India. Okay, I think it follows the same process again, and you get a chance to invest in companies like Apple, Google, Invesco, Tesla, Meta, Netflix, SPDR, Amazon, Spotify, Microsoft, etc. from India. And yeah, but there are other ways also, other than these, this way of investing in international markets. There are other ways also which you can use to invest in international markets. And it's basically a hedge, if our markets are going down, if you want to take a hedge where other markets are going up, it would be a hedge position for us. And of course, it will also give you access to international stocks and for some of the famous companies which are doing very well. And it allows you to put your investments into those particular companies. So this is the entire ETF list which is provided by in the NSE website, and it has everything. So what I did is I downloaded it, and I have picked up only the international or the global ones. Okay, and I consider gold and silver also as international because that's a commodity, and it's traded all over the world. And for gold, we have gold bees, and for silver, we have silver ETFs as well as silver bees. And yeah, gold and silver is also a very good hedge against a downturn market. If we are not able to do investments, then when a market is going down, or if you want to put money in international investments, then gold and silver is also a very good a place to invest in. And the easy way to do is through gold bees and silver bees or silver ETFs. Apart from these, you have the actual foreign ones are this Montech 100 and Mafong. So Mon 100 is Motilal Oswal, 100 it stands for. And what it has is within it, so where is that? Yeah. So this is the Mon 100, composition. So it has, all the top 100 companies in US within it. It's an ETF. It has the best of the best companies like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Broadcom, Meta, and of course, 100 companies are there which are best of the best. And then you have, Mafang. Mafang is also the top tech companies. So which is a Mira Asset ETF. So it has all the tech companies, the best of the best tech companies in it, like Meta, CrowdStrike, Netflix, Alphabet, Amazon. So this way, you can put your money in the best companies in the world and use it as a hedge also, and of course rely or leverage the dollar appreciation. Okay, so that is the US markets, the Mafong and the Mon 100, and I told about gold and silver. Okay, then we have liquid base, which is the government securities, which we can put into. This is Indian only, but I just wanted to highlight it that there's a liquid base also. Then we have Hang Shang bees. Hang Shang bees stands for, these are the top companies in China, which are tech companies again. Hang Shang Yeah, base. So this is the one. So if you see, this has also, top companies like Alibaba. You have here, you have, Xiaomi, Tencent Holdings. You have and Bank of China. So these are like the top companies in China, and this Hang Shang Base allows you to put money in the top companies in China. And then you have Mahtech. So Mahtech also will, let's look at Mahtech. Does that MAHKT? So Mahtech. Okay, so this is again a Mira asset one. Not sure where the portfolio is, but we can look at it. Mahtech portfolio, portfolio companies. So it's a tech ETF. So if you see, it's a tech ETF, and it has all the tech companies like Alibaba, Xiaomi, Tencent, and some of the tech companies in China. And then you have oil ETF and metal ETF. So these are also, yeah. So oil and metal ETFs are also commodities basically. So they help you, hedge. Okay, so oil ETF. So not sure. Oil ETF. Okay, so crude oil ETF. So yeah. So basically, it is putting money in oil and gas companies. So ICI oil and gas ETF. So if you see this, so not sure where the portfolio is here. So let me check the portfolio. So we want the portfolio actually. What is it investing in? So if you see, these are all the top, Indian companies, which are into the oil and gas sector: Reliance, ONGC, Bharat Petroleum, Indian Oil, GAIL, HPCL, Oil India, Adani, Indraprastha, and Petronet. So this ETF, puts the money into all these oil and gas top companies. Okay, and then you have the metal ETF. So Nifty Metal ETF also you have. So that's a metal ETF. So metal ETF. Not sure, the portfolio is not appearing here within this, but we have the metal ETF. So it is also, help you to invest in the companies which are, highly exposed to these metals, basically. So metal ETF. Not sure. Okay, so this is not giving. So let me check metal ETF. So in India. Okay. So again, you have ICICI metal ETF, so Prudential metal ETF, and yeah. So if you see, it is the shareholding is in to a lot of companies which are highly reliant on metals, basically steel, Tata Steel, Hindalco, Vedanta, Jindal Steel and Power, NMDC. Okay, so this is a way, this is just, I wanted to cover, how to invest in international markets from India. So we have the official one way, which is, to use such apps like Ind Money and the Vested Finance. And yeah, they allow you to open an account and add money to your US stocks account and invest in US. And it acts as a diversification and hedge position for you, and it also you can leverage dollar appreciation Vested also does the same. But yeah, on the other hand, what you can do is you could also take these ETFs which are provided in India, like Mon 100, Mafang, and gold and silver. Of course, you can trade from India by using gold bees, silver bees. Okay, and then we can also access Mahtek, Hang Shang bees, which are the top, Chinese companies, the tech companies. So you could invest in. You could also use, oil and gas ETF and metal ETFs to put your money into the companies which are basically you're putting in oil and gas commodities, your money, which is again an international a commodity, and you're investing in international markets from India. And at the same time, metal ETFs also, the companies which are having a business on metals. These won't be termed as international, but because these commodities are international, I consider them also. But yeah, oil and gas is commodity. So and this ETF allows you to invest in companies which using that commodity to make money. And metal ETF is also metals, like silver and all that ETF. So, and this ETF is allowing you to invest in companies which are in the business of using that metal and making money. So that's it, guys, today. Thanks, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.